Hey guys, welcome to the video. I'm Braden and today we are talking about the Draco Centre Diff Set. This is a tips and tricks video on how to set the gear mesh prior to installing the set into your vehicle. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to say thank you very much to everybody who has ordered your set. There are 14 orders so far with 36 remaining of 50. Okay, so make sure you get yours before they run out. Let's begin. So I have my parts here, my rear upper plate with the motor installed, the assembled center diff, and the lower rear plate. Okay, so this product has bottom access to your center diff, which makes it easier to access your diff for maintenance or replacing parts and so on. Alright, so in the plate I have the motor in the highest position and I have a 15-tooth pinion. This is also screwed tight and I've added Loctite, red Loctite. Alright, and I have the assembled center diff, the Draco outdrives and the spur gear. These are included in the kit as well as the bearings. But you'll have to supply a diff case. So the stock Savage diff case works perfectly. Alright, so first things first, put the center diff into the plate. Make sure the bearings seat correctly. Then add the rear lower plate. Okay, and put your thumb here, apply pressure. Now, to make sure the load is equal on both bearings, when you tighten these screws, I apply some pressure with my thumb and then I make sure the edges of both parts are collinear, okay? Here and here. Then I will add the 4x25 flathead screws. I'm using these because I'm not using the gear cover. So if you wish to not use the gear cover, you can use these screws. But I've included 4x30 button head screws for the gear cover. All right. So let's tighten these screws down. Okay, and make sure they are tight. All right, and spin nice and free. Okay, so now we can start setting the mesh. Alrighty, so put the motor down. Undo the screws on the motor and then move the gears closer together. Okay, try to get the desired mesh. I like there to be a little backlash. Oh, maybe not enough. A little more. A little more, I think. There we go. Okay, let's check. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, now you can go ahead and tighten the screws a little more so they don't come undone. And now the mesh is set. Alright, so disassemble one last time. Take out the center diff. And now it is ready to install in the vehicle. So you will get the rear upper plate and the front upper plate, install them in the vehicle and then continue the process until it's fully assembled. Okay, so I find this is a much easier way to set the mesh. Once the set is installed, it's a little more difficult to access the motor screws. So I recommend doing this before you install it. That way, when you install the center diff, the mesh is set and you can just go ahead and go bashing. Yeah, all right, so if you're interested in buying the set, please check out the links in the description. Read up on all the details. And yeah, Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.